Okay, so some of you were asking about warping shapes in Illustrator. So if I wanted to make an O with this, it would be relatively, I mean, I could make an O. It could be like a square or a rectangular shape O, but if I wanted to curve this, there's a great tool in Illustrator. It looks like a little kind of pin, but it's called the Puppet Warp tool. And what I can do is if I click on this, and what I can do is pin some points. I'm going to put 3 points in here. And basically, if you imagine those being pinned down, I can just click and drag. It's really handy. Something like that. I mean, if I decided I want to put more pins in, I could, but I'm not really happy with that. It's something like that, let's say. Okay, and if well, it's a bit weird looking, but let's go with it. If I wanted to make an O, if I copy and paste that, so I'm going Command C, Command V, and remember I showed you this, the reflect tool. If I click on this, and we'll flip it first of all. Oops, it didn't do anything that way. Let's go vertical. Okay, that's what I wanted. So I flipped it vertically and horizontally, so it's kind of almost a kind of reflection of the original shape. And if I put those two together, okay, I'm not entirely happy with it. I don't like this bit sticking down here, but I would do a bit of work on that. I might you know, rub out sections of this, or I might stretch this particular bit. In fact, let's do that. Like that, and let's, you know, if I maybe, yeah, let's go with that for now. Let me grab those two, and I'm going to do a lowercase o. Let me zoom in here. Remember with a lowercase o, it has to go slightly above and below the baseline and the x height. So there's my O. So that can be quite handy, and it does fit in quite nicely with these uppercase A's. So that's the puppet, this here, the Puppet Warp tool is really, really handy.